My dear friends, today I want to show you how work a real working hack for 1xbet for Aviator Crash game. Look at this, my friends. This is 1xbet, my official Telegram channel, Shark1x Games, and me, Shark1xbet. If you want this a real working hack for 1xbet for Aviator Crash game. Look, my friends, actual fresh date and fresh time, 14 June 23 here, and let's go. I want to show you how it's work. Go to the Shark, go to the my 1xbet.com crash. Press first link, this is 1xbet official website. You see 1xbet.com. Press this. And yes, my friends, this is the official 1xbet website. As you see, this is 1xbet.com crash game. You see, my friends, all this are real. Don't worry, you see my balance. Actual first date, first time, 14 June. And let's go. I want to show you how it's work. One xbet. It's work perfect. It's a work perfect. It's amazing. Okay, it's real correct. And place a bet. Yes, you see, I win money. Amazing. Okay, place the next bet. It's big coefficient. I like it. And I show you how I win money right now. It's amazing, my friends. You see, it's real amazing. You see how I win money. It's real work. Next coefficient is small again. Again, little coefficient. You see, my friends, how I win money, you see? It's amazing. Yes, it's good coefficient. I'm place a bet. And I show you how I win money right now. Amazing, guys. It's real amazing. It's real work perfect. You see my history. You see my balance right now. It's real amazing. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdraw it to my Visa card, my friends. Actual fresh date and fresh time today, you see. Press confirm, press OK. And now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xbet wallet to my Visa card. Official 1xbet website, you see, my friends. Yes, money with drafts. You see? Yes, status change approved. Bye bye, see you later.